Welcome to another edition of the ID Video Market Report. I'm Anna Wells.
And I'm Mike Hockett. Here are this week's top stories in distribution.
In Big 50 company news, Fastenal, number 12 on Industrial Distribution's 2015 Big 50 list, released sales and related information late last week. For the month of August, the company posted sales of $332 million, relatively unchanged from July's $334 million, and a 1.6% increase over last year. The company noted that currency fluctuations, primarily Canada, negatively affected sales by 1.4%.
Fastenal opened 2 new stores in August and didn't close any, bringing its total store count to 2,620. The company's total headcount at the end of August was 19,610, down 15 employees from July, but up 7.7% year over year.
United Distribution Group, number 24 on the Big 50, announced that it has acquired the assets and operations of Kernersville, North Carolina-based Anchor Industrial Sales Incorporated. Anchor is a value-added distributor of gaskets and fluid sealing products sourced from world-class manufacturing partners such as Flexitalic, Garlock, and Sepco. Its core customer base consists of chemical plants, contractors, pulp and paper, steel mills, and OEMs.
In addition, the company provides sheet, rubber, metal, and heat exchanger gaskets as well as seals, packing material, and expansion joints. According to UDG President and CEO Daryl Cole, quote, "Expanding our North American service area is an ongoing strategic focus for the United Distribution Group, and the acquisition of the Anchor Industrial Sales location complements our already strong North American presence."
In other acquisition news, Japan-based motor company Nidec Corporation has announced a pair of acquisitions, with Coral Springs, Florida-based KB Electronics and Italy-based EMG Electromeccanica.
Also expanding is metals company Alcoa, who is spending $60 million to expand its 3D manufacturing capabilities at a technical center in the Pittsburgh suburbs. Alcoa also announced the company's new Ampliforge process, which uses 3D printers to design and produce parts that are finished using traditional processes such as forging.
Speaking of new trends, as the pace of B2B continues to transform distribution, it appears one of the latest trends is in the distribution centers themselves. Mike Hockett reported on our website this week that new data from real estate firm CBRE Incorporated shows that demand for industrial facilities under 200,000 square feet in urban areas is on the rise.
Traditionally, large distribution centers have been located in suburbs and small towns where property and labor are cheaper than in large cities. But with end users growing more reliant on 1 to 2 day or even same-day delivery, distributors and retailers have had to find ways of moving products to them faster. One of those growing ways retailers/distributors are moving products, CBRE has found, is by snatching up smaller distribution facilities in urban, light industrial space, keeping their logistics network mobile and perhaps cheaper.
CBRE also reported that industrial real estate demand has pushed rents to near pre-recession levels, growing by 1.3% in Q2 of 2015 and nearly 3% so far this year. The firm expects 3.2% of additional growth through the end of 2015, which would bring rents to within 4% of the previous cycle high.
It's interesting to see how many things have changed since the recession, and yet how many things have stayed the same.
Yeah, you're right. It's that new normal, I guess, that so many businesses are seeing.
Well, that about wraps it up for today. Be sure to look for our September-October print issue hitting the streets right about now, featuring our Big 50 list. Thanks for joining us.